What's up, everybody? Hopefully this audio comes out alright, but it's been pretty cold, haven't really been able to ride, so I figure people have asked several times on how I mount my GoPro to the front of my Icon variant. This is my variant, Thriller Edition. It's got the wolf on the side. Woo. Anyways, so I figured, well, shit, I'll just do a video real quick on how to do it. And I've already got everything ready, cut up, ready to go. So should be pretty quick, and it's actually quite simple how to do this. Alright, so first things first on this thing. These variants got these nice little switches on the front that do abso-fucking-lutely nothing. So what I did was I took a Dremel and I just took it off. Yeah, I hit the paint a couple times, but whatever, fuck it. You just grind it down to nothingness, so it's all nice and smooth now. Man, I got a little titty there, but it never bothers it. Now granted, I am replacing, the only reason I'm doing this video now is because after a year and a half of my GoPro being mounted here, I finally have to replace it. I have to redo it. So take your wonderful, nope, not that. Take your wonderful little GoPro mount, get your shitty tape off of it. I don't know about you guys, but I always have a problem getting this red shit off of it, the backing. So I just use a knife and you just get right underneath it, then grab it and pull it. That's all I ever do. Alright, so got that off, got this ready, right? Alright, and then over here, I've already cut up everything, like I said, to get it ready. Now obviously, because of the variant's nose, this is not going to fit perfectly because it's very rounded, so it does not fit perfectly. So what I do is get that down. What I do is I cut these other strips up like these, okay? And after I do that, what I do is I take it and I build up the sides like this. Stick that to it. Put the other one on real quick. And it's just to build up the sides a little bit. That's all you got to do. And it doesn't build them up a whole bunch, so you can take, I've had bad luck with putting more on, but this has seemed to work for some reason. You take it, and make sure you're straight, kind of get a good angle of where you want it at. It's usually about where I'm mounting. I just follow that line with the center of that. Jam that bad boy on there really good. Alright, so you still got a gap there, and you'll still have a gap on the other side. Right? Alright, so next, what I do is I cut out these little bit longer strips of our wonderful 3M double-sided sticky tape that us motovloggers love. That and duct tape. Now what I do is I take it and I stretch it out. I put it right there on the side. The damn helmet would cooperate with me, right? See there? That's actually pretty stout, but I do go ahead and put some on the top and the bottom too. You know, the very first time I did this, I was all worried about the looks and, oh, it's gonna look shitty, blah blah blah. I got over that pretty quick. Don't really care anymore. Now, last time I did this, which was, like I said, was a year and a half ago. I mean, it had been on there for a long ass time, and I had no problems out of it ever. Even in the rain or anything, I never had any problems. So hopefully, if it does it the same way this time, I won't have any more problems with it. And that's it. I mean, that is it. That's all you got to do. So your GoPro mount, your case, bam, put it on there, and you can hold it from it. See, holding the helmet up from it. It's pretty damn stout. It works really good. The very first time I did it, I was a little bit surprised, but it worked. Another little, I'm sure all the moto vloggers already know this, but I have been asked before of how do I use the waterproof case. Look right there, bam, drum out a hole. There's my GoPro plug-in, and it actually is pretty tight, and it's actually pretty waterproof. I used to use this while I was riding a four-wheeler in the mud and stuff, and it worked pretty good. So, of course, run your wire. That's my connector. Run your wire down. It goes inside the helmet, blah blah blah, everywhere. And I actually have to redo my microphone too. One day I rode to work, it came off on me, so I ended up having to duct tape it, and now it's all dicked up. So I'm gonna probably redo that. I don't think I'll make a video on that because that one's actually pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory how to do. But I wanted to make a video on this because people have asked me how to do that, and that's how you do it. So hope this was informational. Hope y'all, if y'all get this helmet or somebody has this helmet, want to do this. I personally do not like side mounts. I really don't like them at all. I like the front facing. I like the chin mount. It seems like you get a better perspective, a better view of what's in front of you on camera. So that's why I only do it this way. I know some people have been putting sessions up here on the visor, but I don't really like that. I tried it, I didn't like it. I just went with this instead. So hope y'all learned something. If not, fuck off. If so, awesome. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.